Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I have an unboxing today. I was trying to wait to gather the things to do this all at one time. And so let's get started. I have received gifts. I have received gifts from folks, and I truly, truly appreciate you. I'm gonna try and do this in order that I received them, I believe. So this package is from this. Whatever's in here is from God's Desire for Me. So let's open this one and get started and see what's in here. Such a beautiful community out here. They are so kind and giving. So kind and giving. Absolutely love you all. Ooh, a beautiful card. Look at that. You know I'm going to frame that. I'm going to keep it. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, God's Desire. That is so pretty. Oh, my goodness. Let's see if I can read this to you all. Yes. Hey, Tracy. Happy Springmas. I hope you enjoy your seeds and have a successful growing season. If you have any questions about any of the seeds, please let me know. I enjoy your videos. Happy growing. God's Desire for Me. So yes, these are seeds received from back when, Springmas, back when Broke Farmer did the Springmas, and you would type into someone's email, seeds please. That's all you put down, seeds please. So a few of these gardeners have responded, and I'm so excited. So let's see what seeds I have. Oh, and these are the cutest little, she got seed packets. That's so nice that you write everything down on here. So they're blanks and you put the information on there. That's pretty neat. I'm going to ask her where she got that from. White Roselle. Oh, hibiscus. Very nice. Hibiscus. Then we have wild red strawberries. Oh, yes, thank you. Oh, there's quite a few. There's quite a few in here. What is this? Habanero. Habanero peppers. You know I love my hot stuff, my hot peppers. And they're all, you know, you put the description in there. What is it? You put the name of the seed. Let me read another one while I show you this. Seed name, seed variety, and then growing notes. These are really cute. Okay, then we have, Cubanelle peppers. Never heard of them. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Cubanelle. Okay. Nice. Jalapeno. Yes, I've been waiting on some jalapeno peppers. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Wow, 75 days. Yeah, they take forever. So I'm probably going to get these started now inside. Purple jalapeno. Oh, yeah, that's my favorite color. And peppers. Nice. Rosemary. I love rosemary. Thank you so much. Gosh, they only take 10 to 20 days to germinate. Very nice. Oh, cinnamon basil. I've never had cinnamon basil. Lovely. And what? Red cherry sweet peppers. I got a lot of peppers. That is nice. Thank you, God's Desire. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to put those back in here. And next up are seeds from Gina versus Gina. Thank you so much, Gina. She's such a sweetheart. Such a sweetheart. Let's see what we got here. Appreciate you. I'm getting a little seed stock going on here. That's nice. You know, as a beginner gardener, I didn't have much, but I was going to the dollar store, and then I was saving seeds from vegetables and whatnot, but I have been getting seeds here lately, and then I got some last year from a few gardeners as well. Jigs, Mona, Felicia, and I know there's others. Miss T with the T, quite a few others, so giving and so kind. Happy growing, sis. Gina. Oh, my jalapenos. I got more jalapenos. And then this is, cherry bell radish. Okay. Nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is a new love, this gardening. And I'm trying to calm down and not be so excited. I mean, I should be excited, but I think I'm doing a bit much, and I need to pump my brakes. Just pump my brakes a little bit, because I don't want to be overwhelmed when it's time to get out there. And we had 74 degrees yesterday. It was so beautiful, so I got out and cleaned up some of my garden space. It's going to be different this year. I hope to have some of the area tilled, and it's going to be a little different. But today it's cold. 74 yesterday, and today is 30-something. Wind chills are high. Michigan for you. Pneumonia weather. Okay, so these are from Sweet Thumb. I've been waiting on Sweet Thumbs. He's been promising me for a minute, and then he finally told me that they should be coming. They should be, and open them right away. So let's take these out. Oh my goodness. We got a lot in here. Sheesh. Okay, what we got going on? What is this? You're going to have to tell me. I don't know. It says, I don't know abbreviations. RD, then RSLL. Roselle. Red Roselle? Did I get that right? Red Roselle. Okay. Then, oh boy. Persimmon. Look at these big seeds. I got persimmon seeds. These are different for me. So different. Well, everything's different for me because I haven't grown in 35 years. Strawberry. Oh, this is probably why he said open it right away. Oh, I'm probably going to have to get this in some soil. Let's see. I'm going to open it up right now. And then if I have to, after this video, I'm going to get busy. Oh, wait. Oh, it's in soil. What in the world? Okay, so it must be seeds in the soil. And I'm going to put them in a container. Obviously, is what I'm assuming. Okay. Thank you, Sweet Thumb. Thank you. I love you guys. There's more. Hold on. We have, what is this called? How do you say this? Chiltpen? Chiltpen? CHILTEPEN. Pepper. More peppers. Oh, lovely day. Goji berry. I got some goji berry. It says perennial. That's nice. Goji berry. Beautiful. Now, you know, what does it say? Oh, Lord. Azoycha. AZOYCHKA. Somebody say that for me. Azoychika. Tomato. And it's yellow. That's a nice looking tomato. And I love my tomatoes, especially roasted. And then I have some mammoth basil. Yes. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let me put these back. I gotta put this in a pot. Let me set these aside for right now, though. And so the other, I don't know what's in this other box here. Miss T with the T sent me something, and it's too big for seeds. I don't know what she sent me. She surprised me. I have no idea. Let's open this up and see what. Thank you, Miss T. Whatever is in this box, I don't know. We're going to see together here. Uh-oh, let me see if I can get it open. I should have brought a bigger pair of scissors. What we got here, Miss T? Ow! Miss T with the tea sent me some tea. I got some tea bags, y'all. And I don't know what kind it is, but it doesn't matter. I love tea. Y'all know it's too tiny for me to see. Got me some tea. Oh my goodness. I got yarn. That is beautiful and it's thick. This is thick, y'all. Touch of Appalachia. Okay, we're going to have to make something with this, Miss T. While you sending it to me, I'm going to put you to work. Very nice. He has jumbo yarn. Like a forest green. That's so sweet of you. That's so nice. And so, y'all, I'm going to be starting, I don't know when. I'm trying to plan it in my schedule. Doing some basics with crocheting on my channel. You know, for those who are interested or might want to learn how to crochet, it's just going to be the basics because I'm no professional. I've been crocheting off and on since I was a child. Not a child, well, yes, before teenage years. And I just really picked it back up these past, I don't know, 10 years maybe. And so I dabble in it here and there. I don't follow patterns. I may watch a YouTuber and follow that type of pattern, but as far as reading the patterns, I used to do that. I just don't do that anymore. I just kind of free flow or either follow something that I like that I see on a YouTube channel. But I do know basic stitches. I do know how to do scarves, hats. I'm making a sweater for my grandchild. I'm learning more. So I'm just gonna get folks started who don't know how. And I know I bring it. Follow her. She does that as well, and she does lives every week, and she's a great crocheter. And I was up on her panel at one time, and Mrs. T is learning through her. And coming along slow but sure. We're going to put some fire behind Miss T's behind. That's what we're going to do. Anyway, blah, 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 blah. I got one more thing to open. Hold on, there's a card. There's a card. Oh, this was for Valentine's Day. That was so sweet of you. You brightened my day in your own special way. God bless you. Valentine's. I thought I'd share some of my sale yarn. That's so sweet. You have a very special place in my heart. Oh, how cute. How cute. Thank you, Miss T. So thoughtful of you. So kind. Much appreciated. Okay, one more. Now this one I won on Carbon Q's channel when they were doing the Christmas, not Christmas vlog, Christmas, so many days of Christmas. I was on there one time, and I was a winner. And so I've been holding on to this one for a little while. I took it out of, it came from Amazon. I took it out of the Amazon box, but I haven't taken it out of this box. So what it is, I'm going to be ready for the gases, for whatever it goes down. It's not going down, but if it does, I have a full respirator. OMG. Okay? Okay. Let's open this thing up and see what we got going on. Now, I have a respirator for my, what do you call it? For my resin work, you know, working with the resin. And, you know, I used it at the beginning, and every now and then I'll put it on. But I don't really use it a whole lot like I should. But the fumes, I buy the low fume resin, and it doesn't bother me at all. And they don't have a smell, what I use. But I think it's wise to use, you're supposed to use a mask anyway. But anywho, but this is different. What in the world? Okay, what we got here? We got a sterno? What in the world? Wait. It's supposed to be a gas mask. What? Lord Jesus, okay. I don't know. Let's see. Whoa, wait a minute. How you get this up? Wait a minute, y'all. Well, this is the McCoy here. Let me get this paper. Wait a minute. Oh, it's a plastic coating. Wow. So I got to do some reading. What is this? Wait a minute. I don't know. PA, it's a filter. I'm tripping. Does this go on here? Man, this is back in the day. This is the real McCoy. Shut your mouth up. Let me see. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it sucks right into your face. I feel like I can't breathe. Alrighty, y'all. Hey. Thank you. Oh, can you hear me? Thank you, Carbon Q. Wow. Okay, this go in my bug out bag. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you, everybody. So much love out here. Love this community. I truly appreciate the kind and giving hearts that you all have. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Peace and love. And we'll see you out here in these YouTube streets soon. Okay? Toodles! And I'm out. I gotta stand up to cut this off. Okay. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
I just want to come back and show you. This is the one that I use for resin. It's quite involved here. So I don't use it anymore. I don't even know if you can hear me. Hold on. This is 3M. It's not a gas mask. See if I can get it off. Woo! Did you hear me? I don't know if you heard me or not. So this is the one that I bought years ago for the resin works. Just what they give, recommended, blah, blah, blah. It's just a bit much to be having on. So usually I just have a mask, just a cloth mask on when I do these things. So I guess I'm prepared for some other things as well, other than resin with this as well. It's not a gas mask, but yeah, it's a bit too much to be wearing when I work on the resin. So anyway, I just want to show you that. And this one from Carbon Q, there's really no instructions. It does say the respirator has cartridges for spray painting and organic vapors also. Good air permeability. It's filtering, gas purifying, and effectively. They didn't word that right. But there's no instructions, which is odd. Anyhow, I'm babbling. Just want to come back and show you that mask. Toodles. We'll see you later once again. And I'm out again. Later.